Yeah, he realized he can't.
Damn cat. I've got some. It is like 38 degrees out there today.
Less than a week ago, we were in the 90s.
We were like, ugh. So we got some. She's got some coffee, and I got some hot chocolate with the little Baileys in it. Yes.
We skipped fall and went straight into Colorado weather in Texas. So.
Great. That was so good. Okay, so we are here to discuss Kristen's makeup prep. As you may know, she's got some psoriasis and some rosacea right here on her cheeks. And so she uses a couple of she uses a couple of products to help her get her makeup prep going on.
Because for the longest, I had a lot of issues with foundation and
finding
fine
the right
lines
combo
to where it didn't look cakey, stuff that covered up the redness, and it was just, it's been a nightmare.
It has.
It's not fun.
She has dry and oily skin, so that's combination skin, and so she's got some dry patches, and then she's got some oil on her T-zone a little bit. So, but it's not as bad. I've seen.
And I haven't washed my face, so this is just.
Well, I've seen people that have really oily skin, and it's hard for their makeup to stick, and lots of setting powder and spray, all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and go through. It's okay. She's tired. We've had a rough couple of days, to say the least. This is not the product. We're gonna go ahead and show you what we do. I'm not gonna put this on her because she's like, no, I don't want this on.
I was like, no, I'm not doing it.
Usually the night before, whenever she takes a bath, she'll put some sugar scrub, and all this is sugar and argan oil. Easy peasy, right? 1, 2, done. And you just apply it to your face in circular emotions.
Give me emotions. Emotions? We're gonna put our emotions into it?
I meant emotions. Emoticons.
I'm gonna do a little, because I've got some dry lips.
Okay, there you go.
Dry lips, and I'm just gonna show you.
I'm just gonna sip on my Bailey's hot chocolate over here.
Hopefully I don't get this all over me, because I need a bib. Really? Because this stuff is messy. That's why I do it in the bathtub. It is messy. This is a lot softer. I'm used to it being a dryer.
Because I put a little bit more argan oil in it. You can get your argan oil at Whole Foods or even Kroger's. They probably will have it. It's cold pressed. It is a little expensive, but I've had that bottle for 1.5 years, almost 2 years of argan oil.
Does it expire? Okay.
Scrub, and you want to do circular motions all across everywhere. She does it for her whole face, and she'll do circular motions.
My face will be beet red too.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm not going anywhere today. This is a lazy AF day. I figured you would. You get a chuckle from that, a giggle. And then you just wipe it off with whatever you want to wipe it off with, hand towel, washcloth. Just make sure your hand towel doesn't go to the hand towel where the hand towel goes.
Yeah.
For people to wash their hands in sugar and argan oil everywhere. So that's her.
Got a little bit of lip pumping action.
There you go.
Yeah, right.
Yes. And then we use.
You do?
I used to. Yeah, I used to. I haven't had any puffy eyes. This is the Impish Eyes Depuffing Eye Serum from perfectlyposh.com. You can find a consultant near you. And I don't know if they still sell this, but this is wonderful. And we use it under her eyes all the time.
Sometimes it's my go-to. Sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on how. I think a lot of my puffiness is not just from tired. It's just because I have a lot of salt intake.
Yeah, you do.
I
You
can't
love your
salt.
salty surprises. I'm just joking. Just joking.
Ew! I just caught on to that.
I'm just joking.
I don't think you really are.
Really? I really am.
I can't believe you said that.
I really am. I'm joking. And if there's kids watching, don't ask mommy and daddy about what that is.
Ask mom and dad, but
no,
you said
don't ask. Don't ask.
This came in
That Fit Fun.
Yeah, your box.
Long, like a year ago.
You can get these anywhere, but there's a little eye.
Under eye gels.
Yeah. You cheated and saw it on the back of the package.
No, that's what they are.
But these are what I have been using in
South Main under eye gels.
I really wish that they were reusable. There's some you can get that are, but these it's like you put on your under your eyes.
You know what you should do? Sorry, I interrupted you again. You know what you should do? Put this under your eye and then take an ice cube and put that on top of it.
But
it'll reduce the swelling like that.
Go get an ice cube.
Really? You want to try it?
Let's test your theory.
Well, you're closer to the fridge.
Oh, so I gotta waddle over there?
You don't waddle.
On a good day.
You want to pause it?
No.
You better hurry your booty over here.
Just grabbing an ice cube. It's not like our
How you doing?
kitchen's like an hour away.
Kristen!
It's like, really? You could have opened the package.
Oh, I didn't even think about it. I'm like, how you doing? And you're
like, ew, I feel so dirty.
Okay, the package is open. Ooh,
And
ew,
you
ew. Slimy AF. That's slimy for sure.
Feels like I've got like a she's like, here. I feel like, oh my god, I can't hold it on there. I feel like I have a leech attached underneath my eye. It's like slimy as crap.
Yeah, but I swear, like you put that on. Sorry, you leave that on for like 5 minutes.
It's dripping down my side. Nope, that's not happening.
She threw it away. She's like, nope. All right, so we got that, and then what else do we use?
Burning in my eye.
We got a tester of this stuff, and I finally got a bottle because we were out of that tester. She squeezed it. I told you.
Do you see that?
Look at that. Compared to this eye, to that eye. Look at that reduced swelling. I told you, ice does it every time.
You might know what you're talking about.
I might. Anyways, this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel Hydrant Treatment. And she uses this for her primer.
Yes.
We got a small tester. I think it was from Sephora.
Yeah.
And she would love that stuff. She used that up. We had that for like a couple months.
That
too.
sample last.
You grabbed it out of the trash?
It was sitting on a napkin.
So she uses this. She puts this all over her face right before she puts makeup on, and it seems to work for her. Are you done with this, or I'm gonna throw this away?
Yeah, the slimy.
Seems to work for her. Look! Oh my God! It's doing it the other side too. Mm-hmm. Now will you wave me anytime
my
I say
eyes are
anything?
like, oh, it's cold. It's almost
So
to wake you up in the morning.
this seems to work for her, especially with her patches and stuff and her psoriasis. So.
And I'll show you how much I use. This thing is gonna last me probably a couple of years.
Maybe 2.
If it doesn't expire. Now I'm like worried about everything expiring.
Because I put that fear in her.
And this is literally how much I'm squirting off.
That's a lot, babe.
No, it's not. That's all I use.
That's all you use?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I use.
It is. I mean, Clinique makes really good products and really good.
Especially if you have sensitive skin.
Yes, really good makeup.
I don't, but because of my skin issues,
I like their
works.
skincare more than their makeup. I gotta be honest. AF. This is just an AF day.
It's an AF every day.
That's true.
Oh, this is just like a moisturizer, and I just slap my foundation on.
She puts her foundation on, and it really does help cover everything. So if you're in a market of a good primer and moisturizer, this is your girl.
And if you have like really large pores, like I noticed when I was putting on foundation, but before I ever started using any kind of primer or moisturizer, like I would see the foundation sink and I would have all these cracks and holes in my foundation, and this just
it's
sets
seamless.
it up. Yeah.
It's seamless and
It gives you that
effortless
airbrush
and
look.
just airbrushed AF.
Okay. You're such a dork.
I am. I'm just trying to lift everybody's spirits. And when I say everybody, us.
Hi.
So
That was fun.
yeah, that was. I mean, it was a short video, nonetheless, but these fine products will help you if you have dry skin or skin issues, rosacea. Rosacea.
I was like, who's rosacea?
I say rosacea all the time. Rosacea, eczema, and
Or even just
psoriasis.
weird, funky skin like I have.
Yeah. So, I think that was pretty successful. Blink.
You cracked my mug
I
with
did
your
not
shoes.
crack your mug.
That was hard.
Speaking on to the next topic, what I want to do next is, when we do have some money, I want to buy like a microscopic little thing, and you put it on your skin to see the pores and everything. And I have to show you some videos.
Ew.
Yeah, we're gonna have to research that.
You've been watching Dr. Pimple Popper way too much.
Yes, I'm addicted. The stuff inside the ear that comes out, and then all the blackheads and whiteheads. It puts me to sleep. I don't know why. It's so relaxing.
I like the big stuff where they have to like
the cyst.
cut it open and it's like squeezes and it erupts.
I can't do that.
Yeah.
Can't do that. Those are cysts.
Whatever you want to call them. Dr. Heather over here. What was
A
that?
crown.
Okay.
I'm
It's
being
like you were
extra
going like
AF.
this. I was
Like
like,
this. A crown.
alrighty then.
Extra AF today.
Yes, you are.
So anyways, that concludes our video.
We will see you on the next one.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah.